Hi guys! So, Hi guys! So, good evening. Welcome sa ating Pillow Talk. So, today, kasama natin ang ating mga girlies from Cotabato City. I am Riri.
Hiya.
Hi, Pa!
Hi, May!
Pretty butterfly.
So yan ang ating pretty ladies from Cotabato City. So this is our first video. So for tonight, ang gagawin lang namin is that may prepare kami na questions and then magbubunot-bunot lang. This is so random. So hope you guys enjoy watching. So first, ang bubunot is si Beauty Butterfly.
Ako ba sasagot?
Lahat naman tayo.
Diba tayo sasagot? Pero pwede namang mag-pass kasi wala namang pilitan. The first question is...
Anong happiest moment
Sana inayos nila yung writing, no?
in your life?
Oh,
Walang naliwa.
Anong happiest moment
in your life. So, yun.
Mga artist.
Dahil ikaw ang unat, ikaw ang unang sumagot.
Pwedeng pass muna.
Ay,
Diretso pass.
Diretso pass?
Oo, random lang naman.
Ano ang happiest moment in my life? Ang dami kasi eh.
Sana all.
Yeah. Siguro yung graduate din ako kasi ang tagal kumilin tayo. Took me 7 years. So it's one of the happiest moments. Kasi I made my family and parents proud.
Sila lang ba?
How sweet. Myself.
Yun nga.
Okay, huwag mo lang ipigil.
Issue maker.
Ay, lahat ba masasagot?
Oo, gusto mo ikaw lang.
Ano ka selfish? Ang dami din actually. Pero siguro two of the best is yung syempre nahanap ko si Damon.
Sana all.
Sana all.
Sana ka din. And then yung baby ko. So yun.
So ako, ang happiest moment in my life is yung nag-take ako ng board exam at nakapass. So yun, naging proud na proud sa akin yung father ko dahil pumasa ako sa board exam. So pinaka-happiest. So naging proud siya sa akin.
Congratulations. Nakakatawa. Nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa. I mean, parang si Kay ni Ivy, more on like, it's not just for yourself, but for your family. Parang masaya kayo pag masaya yung mga tao mahalaga sa buhay niyo. So dahil dyan, na-pressure ako kasi ako, selfish talaga ako. Siguro yung happiest moment sa life ko.
Ito sa akin.
Girl, tayo man lang ito. Oo, madami din. Siguro, sa pag nagka-travel, parang every travel is parang bagong experience, sometimes may mga bagong nakilala, and sometimes yung kasama sa travel. Yun, masaya yung travel. Self-love.
Actually, medyo same tayo. Hindi ko ma-define. Oo, hindi ko ma-define yung happiest at the moment because I'm at the stage na I'm just enjoying every moment, every day. So, it's like when I feel content and then nakakatulog ako ng okay at the end of the day. So, I feel like happy na naman. No pressure.
That's nice. I think that's adult happiness.
Yeah.